look who's up there.
Hey,
Justin and Frey from Brickright.
doing all the work yet?
We're doing a job together. Let me show you around what we're going to do. So we've been fortunate enough. The only reason really took this on because all the grunt work's actually done. It was a customer who follows me and Justin on YouTube, and he wanted us to do a job for him. So we thought, let's put our brains together, let's do it together. So the majority of everything we're doing, all the walls, we're just going to be sticking porcelain clad to them. That wall there, the walls at the top there, that side wall, and that one down in the end. On the middle there, that's going to be a kitchen area. Here, in between the trestles, we're going to have a wall coming through, and that's going to be a sitting area, and it's going to be polished concrete countertop on it. This bit's going to be grass. That was going to be like a pagoda type thing, but that's actually changed now. That's going to be behind us, so this will be a sitting area. Clad these walls. This wall here, it's got a horrible kink in it. So we got to cement board the kink out. The bespoke part of this job is going to be, that was Staffordshire Blues, brick on edge, coping going across there, but it was shockingly bad laid. So we're going to put shuttering up, and we're going to pour concrete, and we're going to polish it. Back area here, we had a bit of a disappointment the first day. We were going to have to take this out, the concrete behind the wall out, but we took a section out, we hired a big drill out, that's a foot thick. And then the deepest part here, we drilled down again, and that was another 300 mils. It's like 2 foot thick of bloody concrete. So that plan had to change, because that was going to be a little stream, a little water feature. In between the pillars there, we were going to have a water feature. I'm not quite sure if that's still going to happen. There was going to be one there as well. And down this end, we're going to put possibly a big piece of stone art. But we're going to stick a wall in front of that one, so we don't have any pillars. So stacking out today, and we're going to build a wall going all the way across there, just to make it flat. And that's enough yada for me. And they probably both agree. Stop yada in, get on with it.
Done it now?
Done it now. I'm waiting for Justin and the boys to turn up, so I'm just going to crack on, just get a little bit prepared. Oh, by the way, it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Scotty Too Hottie. Happy birthday to me, 50 bloody 6. Right, okay, so, look who's behind me. Justin!
What's happening, peoples?
Today we shall be mostly cladding this wall with cement board.
Cement board.
The only reason we're using cement board because it's proper pissed. It's got a huge kink in the middle, and we have to get the kink out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna glue cement board to the wall. I'll show you the kink in a minute, and then we'll show you the process. Some shit like that. Anyway, I don't know. Right, so this is the wall. As you can probably see, it's got a major bend in the middle. So we got our lines either end. And that's how much difference there is there in the middle. So we got loads of dubbing to do. So we shall show you how to do that next. Justin's putting some, he's going to paint some SBR on the wall, make it all nice and sticky and tacky. And I'm going to go across the wall with my little grinder and take out any lumps and bumps.
So, as it's your birthday, Scott, what are you having for your birthday meal?
Faggots! My birthday, I'm going to have cake. They don't want any cake.
Pembley Happis.
Happy
Not a patch on what Brad used to be.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Scott. Happy birthday to me. game of attack. We're going to stick one at the bottom over there, stick one at the bottom over there, and I've come up with a suggestion of let's stick a string line on the bottom as well, so we know where the bottom is, and then just plumb up from that. That's the plan anyway. The plans do change, as always. I wasn't in yesterday because I had dentist to go to. But Justin and Frey been cracking on with this lot, which has been a bit of an issue, but we have got over it. We've been having issues with the screws, haven't we?
Is that number 3? Yeah, we've been having issues with the screws. So, apparently, I've never read a back of a screw box before, but when you actually read, these screws are designed to go in only to 60mm. We thought that you could just put a screw in, designated distance in, or whatever you liked. But they only go in 60mm, and we tested it. We drilled a hole there, right back to the full length of the drill bit, look, which is longer than the screw. Put that in there, marked it, 60mm. It won't go past 60mm. So there's 3 packers there to get through, 4 down there, 2 by here, 1 down there. So we need the screw to go in and out to what we want. Gone from a 6mm drill bit up to a 6.5mm drill bit, and that now seems to be sending,
which is actually making a hell of a difference, just half a bloody millimetre.
You can pull, I can hang on, well, no.
As
maybe somebody lighter could hang off that.
That's the main thing, because we were having problems with it wobbling still, but we got some decent screws in there now, and as you can see, plenty of them, so we've got a good foundation. And then we slurry it, prime it, to it, glue it, stick it, smack it with a hammer. Job's a good one.
And then it'll all fall off.
And then it'll all fall off. Alright, well, Justin's just done his little blah-de-blah-de-blah-de-blah. I suppose I should do a blah-de-blah. So this bit's on, but this does have to be chopped down to appropriate height. We've left it on because we need to use it as a shutter as well. Still got a bit of faffing around to do, but there. But basically, that's that wall done. So when we stick the porcelain on, it'll be so much quicker because we're not faffing around, bringing her out, bringing her in, getting her all nice and straight. Should hopefully butter both sides and stick it. Today's task really pissing me off. I've noticed actually, I feel like I've caught sun already. Face looks a bit brown there. Well, anyway, this corner behind me, pissed as a fart. It's so out of square. Doing my head in. But we've got to pack it out with cement board and like the primer gluey stuff to bring it out. I'll show you. This is the concoction of the corner. To get that square, originally it was flipping like that. Literally 80 mil out of square. So I've been packing it with bits and bobs. I just want to get this bit done. Doing my pissing head in. Yeah, hello.
Hi there, Scott. It's Tony here.
Yeah, I know, yeah. Yeah.
How are you doing there? You okay, Scott?
Yeah.
Just a quick call, Scott. Quick thank you for your help out the advert and all that.
Yeah, don't forget, I'm not giving you any more money for anything, so no more advertising. No, you haven't actually. Let's end this conversation. Excuse me. I did forget to do the video for the shuttering, but I do have a little bit left down the end to do. I got a little section there to do, but we couldn't finish it off because we had a pissing cable thing sticking out the way. So that's the shutter, which is basically 8x2 with another piece of ply there and one on top. The top bit is the level of what we're supposed to be doing. Packing and packing. So the gap here, because otherwise concrete's going to fall down here. I did say about putting expansion foam in, but we're going to put a piece of slate on, block up the gap, so the concrete don't fall through the pissing hole, because that would be a disaster. So finally pissed around and got that bit in with the cable which was underneath. That did my bouncing. And that bit down the end did my bouncing. And now it's raining, so we're going to go home. Great fun, isn't it, just?
No, absolutely can't stand this, Scott.
We're having so much fun, it's just fun.